So during this build of the Hot Rod Suburban, we're gonna take this thing on 4,000 miles. I need to make sure that the lights are good. Company reached out to me, OXILAM, providers of LED replacement bulbs, and they outfitted us with all the bulbs we need to put in the Suburban. And we're gonna have an install video of how to put these in. So we'll see how they work. There's gonna be an affiliate link that helps the channel as well. So if you are looking for bulbs, and you're wanting to help the channel, check them out. There's gonna be a link down there where you can get a discount as well. Since I had nice new LED lights, I wasn't going to put those lights in nasty old moldy headlights. So I replaced them with this set on Amazon. The link's gonna be in the description below. And I did the same thing with the taillights. These things are broken and faded and nasty. So I went back on Amazon and got a set of taillights that fit this Suburban as well. The link's in the description below. Okay, we've got our brand new taillights here, and they were so kind to put standard bulbs in there, so we're going to replace them with the OXILAM LED lights, which look like this. Let's see how easy this is to take out. Hopefully they're easy. Wow. Okay, that's in. So that goes like that. So that's the reverse light, and these are the brake lights. These are the red ones, so we have to put the red ones. So this is the white one that goes down here. The white one goes down here. So let's get that out. Okay, white one goes down here. And these two red ones go up here. Red. Okay, let's go test these to make sure they work on the car. Okay, those are on. Do the blinkers. Okay, do the right one. Yeah, do brakes. Okay. And put it in reverse. Put it on the brake and shift in reverse. Yep. Here are the headlights. Ooh, how many we got? We got 4 in there. I don't think there's any difference to any of these. Let's just put them in and see. All right, let's do that.
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Overall, this was a very simple project to do with basic tools. You can do this in a couple hours. And thanks to OXILAM for supporting our channel with the LEDs. And if you would like your own set of OXILAM LED headlights, taillights, click on the description below to get the discount code and the affiliate link. Thanks for watching and take it easy.